Welcome to beautiful Bend, Oregon, and thank you for attending the first ever LinQ event. We'll be doing breakouts throughout the day along with tool demos.
Don't be afraid to ask questions. Go talk to vendors, everybody. Have some fun too. Like, this is supposed to be a fun event, not just learning here, but the whole event, the whole being in Bend, Oregon. So enjoy it. Thank you guys for being here.
All right, you guys ready to get dirty? All right, let's go.
Hey muchachos, bienvenidos a LinQ Academy in Bend, Oregon. The LinQ event is about teaching how to install hardscape and outdoor living correctly.
LinQ Academy is the quickest hands-on learning experience you're going to get anywhere in this country.
What I wanted is GIE H&A on the West Coast with hands-on training.
What's the difference between this and a trade show? Oh, I'm gonna be able to get my hands dirty, get my pants dirty. Just have fun.
You're on an ongoing job site. You're not in a controlled environment. You're not in a warehouse. And also you get to meet all these vendors.
It's a unique, one-of-a-kind event, getting top industry experts all in the same place at one time.
Seeing all the vendors with all these different products and displays that we're learning how to install them, how to properly use them, it's been great.
This is a premier event. I don't think we've ever done anything like this on this scale before. It's real life, real time.
I mean, I don't think you could go to school to learn it this way. If you can come to a real job site like this and ask the questions that you have, it's very valuable. Welcome to the future of hardscaping.
We're doing the job out here and we can watch it. So if there's anything that you have little questions on, you're watching some really good guys install it and you see how they do it. You see how to do porcelain.
This is on-the-job training, right? These are guys doing things that they will do in their home markets when they leave here. Learning new technique. This is actual construction, actual installation. If you can install products better and faster and more efficient, you're gonna have less callbacks and be more profitable.
We're teaching how to install a custom water feature.
When you look up and you got 50 guys staring at you, asking you questions, it makes you a little nervous.
A lot of guys simply didn't really understand how to place boulders.
They were scared to do that. Details matter and doing it right, because out of everything we do in the landscape world, something's gonna go wrong. It's gonna go really wrong with the water feature. Do them right, they're a piece of art and everybody just loves them. I think it really boosted their confidence to go home and try it.
When you do something like this, it's new, it's different, no one's really doing it exactly like this. I think this event's gonna be big.
You need to be here.
No other industry is doing this. No other trade show is doing this.
Project's a project. It's really cool to build water features and great patios and fire pits. But at the end of the day, it's the connection with the guys and the people.